a alphabet, or you can say word. Now, that is why Omkar is considered as a Nada Brahma and a Shabda Brahma. So it has got a very deep meaning. When you recite Omkar in a proper manner, it has to be long. It creates vibration and it creates positive energy around us. So those people who are just joined, please, what we can do is we can start chanting Baba's name. Sri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Everybody can join me.
I've muted everybody, Pawar Kaka, because there will be a lot of background noise. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Now
So,
there is a lot of noise about these crows and all birds around me also.
no problem. That is not a problem. But one person, if they sing, if too many people sing, then it comes in different times. So it doesn't come in sync.
Okay. Shri Sai Nathaya Namah. Shri Sai Nathaya Namah. Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Two more times. Take a deep breath. Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Om Sai Ram. Now here, has everybody joined?
Yeah, we've got a few people who've joined. Maybe others will keep joining. We can get started because I'm recording the session.
Okay, so can we start?
Yes, please.
Om Sri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Now here, when you say this Sainath Stavan Manjari, the Stavan Manjari means Stavan, भगवान का गुणगान गाना, उनकी स्तुति करना, उनका प्रे करना, and उनके बारे में अच्छा अच्छा बोलना. Or Manjari, it is not Manjiri, it is Manjari, Sainath Stavan Manjari. Manjari is a small instrument within to that rings, which is called Tal in Marathi. A small part. Tal is the big one. This small one is called Manjari, or it can be carry a tendril of any small bush, that, or you can say Tulas. When you get Tulsi, you get that tendril, that is also called Manjari. Now it is also called Muhar, it's called Dikshi, that is another one thing. Now we'll start. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. He Sarvadhara Mayureshwara, Sarvasakshi Gauri Kumara, He Achintya Lambodara, Pahima Sri Ganpate. Before starting any staman, reading or chanting of holy book, we prostrate or bow our head before Sri Ganesha. So we are starting now. Hey Sri Ganpati, I bow my head, prostrate your iris with the respect and bhakti bhav. You are a basic cause and you are a shelter. You are our strength. You are giving us a power to live. You are omnipresent. You are everywhere. Sarvasakshi. And who you are a Nandan of Parvati, means Gauri Kumara, means you are the son of Gauri. Gauri is almost means Parvati. And what you are, He Achintya Lambodara, Lamba Udara, and the God who has got a heavy or big or lengthy stomach. So, and who you are Achintya. The things which we have not even thought of, that you are giving it to us. So you are unimaginable things giver to us, Achintya Lambodara, Pahima Sri Ganpati. Please, हमारे तरफ भी देखो. Just pay your attention to me. तू सकल जनांत गुणांचा गणांचा आदिश, मनोनी म्हणती गणेश, तू सम्मत सर्व शास्त्रास, मंगल रूपा भालचंद्र. Now you have this is called Parshad. Ganpati has got his own assistant or his disciples. Those are called Gan. Like Shankar. Shankar has got Rudra. So, like that, Ganpati has got his own team. Or he would Sevak. Sevak or Ganpati, those are called Gan. So, you are the master. You are the leader of all these Gan. And that is why you are called Gan Isha, Ganesha. Ganka, God. So that is why your name is Ganesh. Tu sammat sarva shastras. Everybody has accepted your supreme power. Everybody has accepted you are the leader and you are always going to be on front. So that is why you are prayed first. You are praised first. Your name will chanted among all first, and then other whatever the Swarupa, God Swarupas, their stuti will start. Mangala Rupa, what you are doing is, you are the symbol of Mangalya, Mangala, purity, pleasantness. Everywhere. You are the sign of joy. You are the sign of pleasure. And Bhalachandra. Chandra is again moon. And that is called, again it is not full moon, it is half moon, very small moon, like a third or fourth day of this one. So it is called Ardha Chandra. And Bhal is a forehead, this one. Who is wearing a half moon on his forehead, that is the sign of whom? Ganpati. So it is called Mangala Rupa Bhalachandra. I am prostrating before you. Now second stanza. He Sharade Vak Vilashini, तू शब्द सृष्टीची स्वामिनी, तुझे अस्तित्व म्हणून व्यवहार चालती जगताचे. At a second stage, I am bowing my head. I am prostrating myself in front of or to the charan of Mahadevi Saraswati, a goddess of knowledge, goddess of Gyan, goddess of information, goddess of all arts and colors. So, and how she is? Vak Vilasini. Vak is a Vani. Vak is a talk. Vak is a means of communication. This Vani ko elaborate करने वाली, विस्तार करने वाली, you are Vak Vilasini. So, I am praying you because you give me a strength or you give me such a vocabulary where I can explain, I can tell in a proper word to these people or to your followers, a Sai Deva, your Sai devotees, a correct and proper meaning of Saina's Tavan Manjari in a proper vocabulary and proper word. Tu Shabda Srushtinchi Kamini, you are the creator of the literature, you are the creator of words, you are the creator of alphabets. On a group of alphabets can create enormous amount of things, enormous amount of strength, enormous amount of any big thing in the world. And that is why Vani, जिसका वाणी पे प्रभाव है, who has got mastery over communication, he can do anything because he has got ability of communicating to the others. तुझे अस्तित्व म्हणून व्यवहार चालती जगताचे. Now imagine a life without communication, life without talking. This is called Vaikhari Vani. From where it creates the sound and it reaches to the other person, and whatever the feelings or whatever that person wants to say, it reaches to us, and then we act accordingly or we react accordingly. Now you tell me, तुझे अस्तित्व म्हणून व्यवहार चालती जगताचे. If the communication is not there and if there means of literature, means of languages, if it is not there, and if anybody or everybody, if they cannot communicate each other, what will happen? It will come to the standstill. And that is why Das Guru Maharaj says, when you are presence, you are there, and that is why we are living our day-to-day life. We are communicating, we are working, we are acting, we are reacting. So everything goes on because you are the basis of all these things. तू ग्रंथकाराची देवता, तू भूषण देशाचे सर्वथा, तुझी अवघ्यात अगाध सत्ता, नमो तुझसी जगदंबे. Who you are? You are the goddess of Granthakar, what you call writers, a spiritual writers. Grantha is a spiritual book, holy book. You are the cause for creation of all this holy literature, and that is why you are the symbol, bhushan. You are the ornament of any particular language, prant, pradesh, or you can say nation. तुझी अवघ्यात अगाध सत्ता, नमो तुझसी जगदंबे. Everywhere your power, we see, we realize, we feel your presence by way of communication, by way of literature, by way of everything. Without you, it cannot. This word cannot communicate. This word cannot. What you call, ये व्यवहार नहीं चलने वाले, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. Everything will be standstill. हे पूर्ण ब्रह्मा संत प्रिया, हे सगुण रूपा पंढरीराया, कृपार्णवा सब परम सदया पांडुरंगा नर हरे. Now here Kruparnava in third this one stanza, third charan, it is called Krupa Arnava. Arnava is what? Sagar. जो कृपा का सागर है, a ocean of kindness, that is called Kruparnava. Panduranga Narahare. Now Narhari is again the name of Lord Vishnu. Panduranga is also one form of Lord Vishnu. A Saguna Rupa Pandarinaya Raya means the Lord Vishnu who himself has come in the form of Pandarinath, that you are only. And how you are? You are the beloved of all saints who exist on this earth. They are your Swarup only. And you are Purna Brahma. So this is third, fifth one, sixth one. Tu avagyansa sutradhar, तुझी व्याप्ती जगभर, अवघी शास्त्रे विचार करीती तुझ्या स्वरूपाचा. All this, whatever the व्यवहार, whatever the transaction, whatever the communication, whatever the exchanges it's taking place, it's because of you only, and you are the controller. You are the executor of this everything. तुझी व्याप्ती जगभर, you are everywhere. Your presence is there in universe. अवघी शास्त्रे विचार करती तुझ्या स्वरूपाचा. All these holy books, right from Vedas till now, they are just thinking of how you are, what is your swarup, how you would look like. It can be on this particular stanza. I can talk about 2 hours, but now we'll just it will break the flow. What these Vedas and etc. they are trying to find out is how the God looks, how he is present, how can feel his experience. And all these people have not come into any conclusion up till now that where is the God's existence, whether it is in our breath, whether it is in our heart, whether he is in all this Prakruti, whether it is in Panchamahabhuta, where he is. But we can feel his existence. Whatever we are breathing, where we are eating, whatever we are doing all daily kriyas, whatever we are living our life, we feel his existence. But we cannot say how he, where he, what is his swarupa. Okay. पुस्तक ज्ञानी जे जे कोणी त्यातून न गवससी चक्रपाणी त्या अवघ्या मूर्खांनी शब्दवाद करावा. Murkh, idiot. Chakrapani, who has got that Sudarshan Chakra in his hand. And Pustakajnani, those people who are trying to find out with applying their own logic and applying their own mind with the help of their buddhi, Vyavaharik buddhi, they are not going to get you. They will not find you. They will not even know you. They are all bookish bookworms. They are idiots. Because what they do, they just exchange of word and they just logically try to prove, no, Bhagwan is like this, Bhagwan looks like this, Bhagwan is this one, Bhagwan is present. No, you are not going to get. They are not really a subject of yours. What they are doing is they are trying to figure out and they are going to define, they are still trying to define what is your Swarupa. But how you are Atma Swarupa. Your Swarup, your form, तू ही जानता है भाई, हम कोई नहीं जानते. तुला जाणती एक संत, बाकीचे होती कुंठित, तुला माझा दंडवत आदरे हा अष्टांगी. Now Ashtangi Namaskar. There are so many ways of prostrating yourself before God, and one way is Ashtanga Namaskar. Art, अपना जब when you are lying down before God, your 8 part of your major part of your body should touch to the earth. That is do kar, do pair, do your knees, your matha, all these things. That is called Ashtanga Namaskar. So what is there? Then who knows you? How you are? What is your swarup? Who knows you? Only saint can know you. Tula janati ekasant. Only saint know your swarupa deva. And that is why, and baki, the rest of the people, they are stunned. They are stunned because illiterate sons. They don't have anything about the knowledge. They don't have to do anything with of the knowledge, etc. But with the strength of their power of bhakti, they know your swarup, and that is why you can communicate with them, and they communicate with you. And that is why, hey Guru Raya, hey Sai Deva, hey Bhagwan Sharade, hey Ganpati, I am prostrating my head before you. And how? Ashtanga. Hey Panchavaktra Shankara, हे नर रुंड मालाधरा, हे नीलकंठा Tikambara, Omkara Rupa Pashupate. All these names are given to the Lord Shankar. How you are? Panchavaktra. You are having 5 heads or 5 mouths. Shankara. He Nara Runda means skull of Nara. ह्यूमन, माला धरा, लोग इसका कल का माला धारण करने वाला नीलकंठ, बिकॉज ऑफ ही दैट 14 रत्न कौरव पांडव अपना देवदानों का जो युद्ध हुआ, अमृत मंथन हुआ, अमृत मंथन से जो विष निकला, वो विष पीने की वजह से तेरा जो पूरा गला है, थ्रोट है, वो नीला हो गया है. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर कॉल्ड नीलकंठ आल्सो. नीलकंठ एंड दिगंबरा. व्हाट यू आर वेयरिंग इज ए अंबर, आकाश, होल यूनिवर्स, अवकाश. तो यू आर दिगंबरा. जो आकाश को अपना वस्त्र धारण करता है, वो दिगंबरा तू है. एंड ओमकार रूपा पशुपते, यू आर ऑल, पशु का पति है सब इसका, और ओमकार स्वरूप है तू. ओमकार इज द फर्स्ट नेम आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन वी वर चैंटिंग बाबा's नेम. ओमकार इज द फर्स्ट स्वरूप ऑफ भगवान, and it is the first word which is name which is defined, you can say, by Vedas. First time it appeared in Veda, it is called Om. So you are Omkar Swarup, you are Bhagwan Swarup. तुझे नाम जाचे ओठी, त्याचे दैन्य जाय उठा उठी, ऐसे आये धुरजटी, महिमा तुझ्या नावाचा. धुरजटी इज व्हाट? जो सर के ऊपर जटा धारण करने वाला. जटा इज व्हाट? ए लॉन्ग हेयर which is you know tied up with in a proper way, what all this you called ambada or whatever, I don't know. धुरजटी, वो बाल, इसका बाल का ऊपर, सर का ऊपर जो जटा धारण करने वाला. and तुझे नाम जाचे ओटी, those who always chant your name, who always take your name, who always तेरे नाम का जो नाम जप करता है, त्याचे दैन्य जाय उठाविटी. वो आदमी का पूरा सीन, दैन्य मीन्स दारिद्र्य, दारिद्र्य मीन्स पॉवर्टी, and downtrodenness, everything will vanish. ऐसा तुझा तेरा नाम का महिमा है. just by नामस्मरण, they are all sins, they are all sorrow, they are all shortcomings, they are all lacunas in their life, it will get disappeared. तुझ्या चरणा वंदून मी हे स्तोत्र करीतो लेखन, यास करावे साह्य पूर्ण, हे सतू सर्वदा नीलकंठा. हे शंकरा, हे महादेवा, हे उमेश, हे महेश, तू क्या कर मुझे, मुझे तेरे चरणों को स्पर्श करते हुए, by touching to your lotus feet, I am starting to write this stotra. Stotra is a stavana, and that is why your support has to be there. Without your support, I will not be able to write this. आता वंदू अत्री सूता, इंदिरा कुल दैवता, श्री तुकारामादी सकल संता, देवी अवघ्या भाविकासी. Now, at last, I am first I will bow my head with respect, with pray to whom? Atri Suta means Datta Prabhu, Dattatreya. Then Indira Kul Devata. Indira यानी what? लक्ष्मी का जन्म कहाँ से हुआ है? समुद्र से हुआ है. और समुद्र, वो समुद्रातून झाला. And that is why इंद्री के कुल, इंद्री का जो वंशज है, जो उसका घराना है, उसका जो इनहेरिटेंस है, वो कहाँ से आया है? समुद्र है. और समुद्र का दैवत, समुद्र का गॉड कौन है? लॉर्ड विष्णु. इंदिरा कुल दैवत. इंदिरा इज लक्ष्मी, लक्ष्मी का कुल जिसको देव मानता है, ऐसा समुद्र का देव तू. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर कॉल्ड इंदिरा कुल दैवत लॉर्ड विष्णु. तो आपको भी नमस्कार करता हूँ. श्री all saints, including Sant Tukaram and all other good, what you call, Sant and Sajjan. Sajjan is a God-fearly people, devotees, you can say. उन सबको, भक्त को, तेरे भक्त को भी नमस्कार करके मैं मेरा ये काम चालू करता हूँ लिखने का. जय जयाजी साई नाथ. हाँ, now it comes to the prayer of Lord Sadguru Sainath. पतित पावना कृपावंता, तुझ्या परी ठेवितो माथा, आता अभय असू दे. हे साईनाथ भगवान, हे लॉर्ड साई, यू आर पतित पावन, जो डाउन ट्रोडन है, जो लेस फॉर्चुनेट है, जो अपना दुख और भोग रहे हैं, उनको पावन करने वाला, उनका उद्धार करने वाला, उनको अपलिफ्टिंग करने वाला, ये कृपावंत, सबके ऊपर कृपा करने वाला, उनको पर प्यार, लव और उसकी कृपा का, दया का बौछार करने वाला, आपके चरणों में मैं मेरा सर रखता हूँ. आई एम प्रोस्ट्रेटिंग माई सेल्फ, आई एम bowing my head with very deep respect to you. Now you give me what? अभय. मुझे अभी किसी का डर नहीं लगना चाहिए किसी काम करने के लिए. ये काम के स्पेशली ऑल दिस स्तवन मंजरी लिखने के लिए मुझे डर नहीं लगना चाहिए. अभय. आई विल टॉक इन डिटेल्स अबाउट दिस डर in some session. तू पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सौख्य धामा, तूची विष्णु नरोत्तमा, अर्धांगी जी जाची उमा, तो कामारी तूच की. Now काम ari, काम is what? Madan. Madan, I should not say explain about you. Does everybody know Madan? Madan is a god of what? Kama Shastra. वो मदन का अरि यानी शत्रु कौन है? भगवान शंकर. सो तू ही वो शंकर है. एंड उमा महेश यानी पार्वती जिसकी वाइफ है, जी बेटर हाफ है, वो कौन है? वो शंकर तू ही है. एंड तू ही विष्णु है. सब देवों में और सब नरों में उत्तम कौन है? तो तू ही है. और तू कौन है? विष्णु भगवान भी तू है. और तू पूर्ण ब्रह्म है. हे साईनाथ भगवान, you are the master of this universe. All these in your Swarup only, all these Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh we can find in you. That's why you're called a Lord Dattatreya's reincarnation or incarnation. And that is why you are called Gurudev. Though you are God, all these gods का जितना भी गुण है वो सब तो आप में समाये हुए हैं. You are there. All these their power in together, it is vested in you. तू नरदेहधारी परमेश्वर, तू ज्ञान नभीचा दिनकर, तू दयेचा सागर, भवरोग औषधी तू. भवरोग, this materialistic world, this our life, this routine life, what you are the medicine of this life, how we should live. You are the supporting life structure of our life. तू दयेचा सागर. You are so kind. कारुण्य भाव, करुणा भाव जो आपके पास है. आपका जो दया है ना, वो दया किस कर भी चलता है. कितना भी पापी हो उसके ऊपर भी तुम दया करता है प्रभु. एंड साईनाथ था, तुम दया का सागर हो, दया का ओशन हो. यू आर ए फुल ऑफ काइंडनेस. ओके. तू ज्ञान नभीचा दिनकर, ज्ञान स्वरूप आकाश का तू सूर्य भगवान है. और तू नर देह में आया हुआ नर देह धारण करने वाला परमेश्वर है. यू आर द गॉड हु हैज कम ऑन दिस अर्थ इन ह्यूमन फॉर्म, नथिंग एल्स. साई देवा. हे हीन दीना, तू हीन दीना चिंतामणि, तू तव भक्ता स्वरधुनी, तू बुड़तियाना सव्य भव्य तरणी, तू भीताशी आश्रय. व्हाट यू आर देवा? लॉर्ड साईनाथ, हाउ यू आर? तू भीतांशी आश्रय, तू बुडतियांना भव्य तरणी, तू हीन दीना चिंतामणी, आणि तू तव भक्ता स्वर ध्वनी. क्या बात. नाउ व्हाट इज चिंतामणी? चिंतामणी इज you can say heavenly one precious stone which is called Chintamani. What this precious stone? It's a very priceless stone, which is, I think it is some kind of a, here we hear about this Chintamani. Lot of everywhere you find this Chintamani. It is the praise given to that particular strike of precious stone. It is called what this Chintamani? Apne man mein, whatever the things comes in your mind, he just gives it to you. That is called मन में जो चिंता जिसका चिंतन किया है वो देने वाला चिंतामणि। और किसके लिए? हीन एंड दीन, अगेन पुअर एंड लोअर क्लास, और यू कैनॉट से लोअर क्लास, यू कैन से हीन गरीब है, दीन, दोज आर पुअर, एंड दोज आर really they need some kind of help, some kind of support to live their life. and ये ऐसे लोगों को तो तू कौन है? चिंतामणि है, उनमें तुम दे देता है। तू तव भक्ता स्वरध्वनि, स्वरध्वनि, वेरी गुड वर्ड। तू क्या करता है? ये भक्त को खुद खींच लाता है, उनका उद्धार, स्वर ध्वनि उद्धार करता है। और तू बूढ़ दिया ना भव्य पानी, those people who are drowning in this bhav sagar, this materialistic life, a type of life of materialistic word, bhav sagar, ये जो ऐहिक word है, this is this word which we can see and we can feel where we live, इनके इस भव सागर में जो डूब रहे हैं ना, इनके लिए तू कौन है? तरणी, तरणी इज ए शिप, नौका। व्हाट यू आर इन, जो भव सागर में डूबने वाले लोगों के लिए तो तू नौका है, एंड तू भीताशी आश्रय। व्हाट यू लिव रियली, एवरीबॉडी जस्ट थिंक ऑफ 2 minutes, really we live life? Is the life worth living? Because everybody is surrounded by what? Dar, fear. So really on every moment, what we live actually, we live fear. मेरे बेटे का क्या होगा? मेरी बेटी की शादी होगी क्या? मेरा अगर प्रोविडेंट फंड प्रॉपर्ली नहीं मिला तो क्या करूंगा? मेरा ग्रेचुइटी नहीं मिला, मेरा ऑल इमोलमेंट्स और तुम्हारे पर्क्स नहीं मिला तो मेरा क्या होगा? मेरा मुझे कोई कोरोना तो होगा नहीं, और ये नहीं होगा, कैसे करूंगा? एवरी टाइम, एवरी मोमेंट वी आर जस्ट लिविंग नॉट लाइफ, बट इट इज फियर। एंड गॉड, हे लॉर्ड साई, oh Sainath Bhagwan, when we are coming towards you and when we are totally surrendering ourselves towards you, what you are eliminating from our life is, first thing which you are eliminating is dar, fear from our life. No matter I don't have that much materialist things in my life, no matter I'm just living my common ordinary life, no matter I am a poor, but I'm still a happy person. Because you God, Lord Sai, you have eliminated fear from my life. And Baba does the first thing in the devotee's life is, he removes fear. Why fear when I am there? क्यों डरता है? मैं हूं ना। I will share your sorrows. I will share your sufferings. Don't worry about it. That is what he did in Sai Satchidananda. Everywhere you will find that people sorrow, their sin, their all suffering, Baba has taken on him, on his body. So what I'm trying to say is, see, बाबा को आपको अगर materialist things का fulfill नहीं होता है, और if he doesn't give or timely, whenever you according to your time, he has got his time when he wants to give it to you. But if what he gives you first is a strength, strongness, a power to live life happily. जगाचे आद्य कारण जे का विमल चैतन्य, हे तुम्हीच आहा दया घन, विश्व हा विलास तुमचाची आहा. You are the cause of creating this universe. आद्य कारण, ये जगह का एक जग का निर्माण करने वाले का जो मेन बेसिक कारण है, तू है देवा. You have created, you are the creator of this universe. and जे का विमल चैतन्य, एवरीवेयर हो जो अपना ये लाइफ दिख रहा है, मूविंग लाइफ, चैतन्य. When it comes in or any human body, any body, any creatures, all these ped, pode, whatever I'm seeing in surrounding me, what is this? If you are not putting life in those things, then what they are? Imagine life without, or soul without body. It's just a skin bag, a bag of flesh and blood, nothing else. When you are existing in this body, then it comes to Chaitanya. Within I can talk, or I can communicate, I can feel, I can pray. Even you are the cause of me putting myself, all this small, it's called Jivatma, in this body. You are the basic reason of it. Jeka Vimala Chaitanya, whatever we are seeing in our bare eyes, all this life, all lives, you are the one. ते तुम्हीच आहात दयाघन, हे kind-hearted Lord Sai. These are all small creatures. These are all living life. You are they are all your Swarup only, Deva. Vishwa ha vilasa tumcha ji. ये जो यूनिवर्स जो क्रिया है, ये तुम्हारा ही कल्पना का सोच है, तुम्हारे ही इसमें का क्रिएशन है. विश्व हा विलास तुमचा जी. It is a creation of your thought. विश्व. आपण जन्म रहित, मृत्यू होईना आपणा प्रत, ते अखेर कळुरीत, पूर्ण विचारे शोधिता. How you are? You don't have birth, you don't have death. So you are without birth and without death. So you are Anadi Anant. You don't have any start, you don't have any end. And that is why बहुत सोचने के बाद हमको ये समझ में आता है, I come to the conclusion after lot of Atmachintan, you can say, self-realization, that you are अजन्मा. आपका कभी बर्थ नहीं होता है, और आपका कभी मृत्यु भी नहीं होता है. You don't have birth to take and you don't have death to die. जन्म आनी मरण, हे दोन्ही अज्ञानजन्य. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है इसमें. जन्म आनी मरण, हे दोन्ही अज्ञानजन्य, दोनों पासुनी अलिप्तापन मुनि समाराज्या. जो मृत्यु बोलते हैं अपन, या जन्म अपना हुआ बोलते हैं, इज इट रियली ट्रू? नो, बिकॉज सोल इज अमर है, उसको डेथ नहीं है. परमात्मा और आत्मा कभी भी वैनिश नहीं होते, उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कोई नहीं कर सकता. नैनम दधति पावका, नैनम छिदन्ति शस्त्राणि. कोई शस्त्र उसको नहीं मार सकता है, कोई भी अग्नि उसका नाश नहीं कर सकता है. नैनम छिदन्ति शस्त्राणि, नैनम दधति पावका, चेत क्लेने यन्त्यापो नो शोषयति मारुता. शोषयिता मारुता, उसको कोई प्रकार का हवा वारा उसको ले नहीं जा सकता है, उसका टुकड़ा टुकड़ा नहीं कर सकता है, उसको वैनिश नहीं कर सकता है. ऐसा अमर जो आत्मा है, रियली वो बर्थ लेता है. इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर. And then what is perishable? What is destroyed? What gets destroyed? G-O-D. It's not God's name. God is a G-O-D, is a generator, operator and destroyer. ये 3 alphabet, first alphabets मिलके God मिला है, ब्रह्मा, विष्णु and महेश. So God कैसा है? वो नाशवंत नहीं. नाशवंत क्या है? पेरिशेबल क्या है? ये बॉडी है, ह्यूमन बॉडी. ये स्किन बॉग है, स्किन बैग है ना. ऑल जो बॉडीज जो क्रिस्मे जिसके अंदर लाइफ है, वो लाइफ निकाल दो, वो बॉडी, वो मरण है. जन्म और मरण किसको है? बॉडी को है, आत्मा को है? नहीं है. सो जन्म और मरण ये परमेश्वर का सही स्वरूप न समझने, अपन समझते नहीं है. Because we don't know the real meaning of Janma or Maran, we are calling them at what? आदमी आज शांत हो गया, आज गया, मर गया, उसका डेथ एनिवर्सरी वगैरह आगे करते रहेंगे. अरे वो अपने आजू बाजू में घूमता होगा, तुमको क्या पता है? Because he is in a soul form, he is in a bodiless form. So जन्म मरण ही की क्या है? जन्म और मरण, birth and death. Because you don't know the real swarup of that, real form of that, you are calling it as a death and birth. Because you don't know the real truth or a real meaning or real knowledge about Atma, that is why you are using these phrases. And those are illusion. That is a fictitious one. ये जो जन्म मरण है ना, यही अज्ञान मूलक है. अज्ञान मूलक में अपना अपन नहीं जानते उसके बारे में, इसलिए उसको अपन डेथ बोलते हैं और इसके लिए अपन उसको बर्थ बोलते हैं. आत्मा को नहीं है ये. आपन परब्रह्म से, हे साई देव, हे भगवान और लॉर्ड साई, ये आप तो ये जन्म मरण के परे है, इसके बाहर है आप. तो किसी ने क्या है, दोहो पासुन अलिप्त आपन, ये जन्म और मरण के परे है आप. आपको जन्म नहीं है, आपको मरण नहीं है, आप अनादि अनंत है. ये विश्व का, यूनिवर्स का जब निर्माण हुआ तब से आप है, और विश्व जब चले जाएगा तब भी आप रहेंगे. यू आर देयर ओनली बिकॉज यू आर द पड़ले माले मात्र आतुनी सपोर्ट even small pond feel. वो क्या उधर से आता है क्या? वो आया, it was there. With a small with a space to accommodate that water, digging the is created. No, इधर से आता है आगे. हेलो हेलो.
Hello, Pawar Kaka. In between, your voice was breaking up for the last stanza, at least for me. So, can you speak?
The session is restarted again because it got disconnected in between.
Okay. I think we missed the last paragraph, Pawar Kaka.
Okay, we will do that. You missed this stanza 20. पाणी झऱ्यात कटले, म्हणून का ते पडले, ते पूर्वीच होते पूर्ण भरले, आले मात्र आतुनी. When you see the water accumulated in small pond, it's called zara, or a small flow, water flow. Is the water created in that particular pond, or it is in that particular flow, a small river? No, it was already there. It was already very much existed, even if you don't see in that particular pond. Okay. So that pond is not the creator of that water. वो पहले से उधर था. It is already existing before that even creator of that pond. When we are making a small well or a small accumulating space, or you can say dam, little bigger way, it is getting accumulated there, means the dam is not the creator of that water. Water was already there. It's just a source of accumulating there. वो किधर से आया water फिर? From where it has emerged? It is from inside, from the ये धरती का पेट से आया है. कितने अर्थ के अंदर से वो पानी आया है. So that is the same way. Things what a self-automatic function, a measure or with power. He has created body, and in that body, he himself is existing in form of soul. And you just take the soul out, it's a skin back. Like that, that if the body was not there, does it mean that the soul was not there? Soul is already there in some other form, in invisible form or in some other form of body. It has appeared in this body when it took so-called birth. Birth is from body, birth is of not soul. So that pond में जैसा पानी, it was already there. Pond has accumulated them. Like that, in skin bag, our life, that soul, God has put into, and it becomes lively things. Okay, आत्मा का सच है. आत्मा का यही चीज यही है, वो देह रूपी पॉन्ड में प्रकट हुआ है. एंड उसको जीव, जीव इज व्हाट, जो सजीव है, जो लाइव है, उसका लाइफ है उसके अंदर चेतना है, उसके अंदर संवेदना है, वो जो है चैतन्य है, मूवमेंट है, मोबिलिटी है, वो जो चीज है, इसके लिए उसको वो जो प्योर सोल है, जो भगवान का एक अंश है, वो स्मॉल पीस, ए माइक्रो 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 थिंग्स उन्होंने ह्यूमन बॉडी में और इन्हीं बॉडी में डाला है, और उसका नाम हो गया जीव के आत्मा. जीव और आत्मा, इसका कॉम्बिनेशन बना के, फॉर्मूला बना के बाबा ने या भगवान ने ये बॉडी में डाल दिया है. नाउ जस्ट थिंक, अगर ये जीव और ये देह ये नहीं मिलता, देह गया, वैनिश हो गया, ये सोल उससे सेपरेट हो गया, does it mean that body is not there, the soul is not there? Soul is already existence. वो अमर है, वो कहीं भी नहीं जाएगा. खाचेत आले जीवन, खाच is again a dam or accumulating place. खाचेत आले जीवन, जीवन means पानी, water. मनुनि लाधते अभिधान. Now, when any earthen pot or any dam or any small pond, when water is getting accumulated, it is named what? Dam, or it is called pond, है ना? So ये जो उसको definition आता है, उसको जो नाम रखा जाता है, because of whom? Because water is getting accumulated. पाण्याने भरलेला घडा, और a earthen pot filled with the water, वो घड़ा बोलते हैं, पानी का घड़ा बोलते हैं उसको, पानी भरा हुआ घड़ा बोलते हैं उसको. ये जो घड़ा है, इसको जो नाम मिलता है, किसकी वजह से मिलता है? पानी की वजह से मिलता है. पानी उधर है, इसीलिए उसको झरा बोलते हैं, पारे. इट्स ए वाटर फ्लोइंग. ये रिवर है. रिवर क्या है? रिवर में वाटर है, इसलिए अपन उसको रिवर बोलते हैं, है ना? वाटर जो फ्लो हो रहा है, उसके लिए स्मॉल रिवर बोलते हैं उसको. खाचेत आले जीवन मनुनी लादते, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड डिफाइंड एज ए रिवर. नो, यू इमेजिन रिवर आने के बाद आपका सामने क्या आता है आई साइड पे? ये फ्लोइंग वाटर फ्रॉम ए पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम साइड. जरा ऐसे तिज लागून जला भावी खाचे. नाउ इमेजिन रिवर विदाउट वाटर. वो वैसा ही है, वो रिवर ही है, लेकिन उसको रिवर नहीं बोलेंगे, तो क्या बोलेंगे? You will say a dry space, little bit with the what you call, थोड़ा नीचे का जमीन, इतना ही बोलेंगे उसको. Because water is flowing from that particular space or particular shape, it is called river. If water is not there, will it be called as a river? No, it will be called something else, valley or something like that. Okay. लागला आणि आटला, हे मुळी ठावे न मज्जला, काकी जल खाचेला, देत नव्हते महत्व मुळी. We'll take 3 more stanzas. 25 will complete today. Is it okay with everyone?
Sure.
हाँ. So लागला आणि अटला. So water appears there or disappears there? ये वो water को मालूम है क्या? नहीं है. Water doesn't know about it. Water appears there, water disappears there. ये किसको है? ये नामाभिधान किसको? वाटर को पता भी नहीं है. ये किसको पता है? ये पॉन्ड को मालूम है. ये पॉन्ड इज विदाउट वाटर. क्या उसका महत्व है क्या? ये देह के अंदर ये जो सोल नहीं है, ये सोल गया है, ये स्पिरिट अंदर नहीं है, तो कौन है अंदर? Nothing. Does anybody have any uses of this body? That is why within few hours it is burned or it is buried, because it is of no use. So like that pond also, if it is without water, it is of no use. खाचे सी मात्र अभिधान, जीवनाचा परिपूर्ण अभिमान, जीवनाचा परिपूर्ण, म्हणून ते आटता दारुण धन्यावस्था येतीसी. What happens in a fraction of a second? It's a comparison between you. Now in that particular pond, if the water is not there, how it looks? Viran, dry, everywhere. So does that particular place where once upon a time water was getting accumulated, very pleasure, or even people were thirsty, people were taking their just drinking that water, etc. Now if it is water is not there, does that pond has got any use? No. Like this in body, if the soul is not there, does it have any use? No. But that is why this, जब तक वो सोल यहाँ बैठा है, तब तक ही देह है, तब तक ही वो देह को नहीं. जिस दिन हो गया ना, जब गया, नाम भी नहीं रहता है. ये पवार काका है ना, जिधर से ये सोल निकल जाएगा ना, पवार काका एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में क्या होगा? पवार काका की डेड बॉडी, नाम भी निकल जाएगा. डेड बॉडी बोलेंगे उसको. डेड बॉडी आया क्या? एम्बुलेंस में रखा क्या? डेड बॉडी को जलाया क्या? या डेड बॉडी को दफनाया क्या? Even in fraction of second, your own identity given by on this in this life, also it gets vanished. नर देह ही खाच खरी, शुद्ध चैतन्य विमलवारी, खाचा अनंत होती तरी न तरी न पालट होयाचा. Like that, ये जो पॉन्ड है, पॉन्ड का कंपैरिजन ये देह से कर सकते हैं. ये देह में जब चैतन्य है, तब तक ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब तक ये भगवान सोल के स्वरूप में यहाँ बैठा है, तब तक ये देह को नाम पर रंग रूप आकार है. एक बार ये गए, ऐसा अनंत खाता, जैसे अनंत देह भगवान क्रिएट करता है, अलग अलग उसको शेप, फॉर्म, कलर देकर. ओके, तब बट उसके अंदर का जो सोल है ना, सोल का स्वरूप सबके इसमें कैसा है? सेम है. Has anybody seen any soul? Our own soul? Has anybody watched it, seen a corona, whether it should not get infected? No. Why? Because everywhere it is omnipresent in a same form, in a same way. मनूनी अजन्मा आपना, मी म्हणत से दया घना, अज्ञान नभाचा कंदना, करण्या भावे वज्र तुम्ही. म्हणून आप कोण है? अजन्मा है. You are birthless and you are deathless. You don't have birth and you don't have death also. इसीलिए ये दया घना, ये दया घन मीन्स ए क्लाउड, मेघ. तो करुणा का सागर, दया का सागर, ब्लेसिंग का सागर और लव का सागर, कारुण्य भाव, दया भाव, जो आपको दया भाव दिखाता है, उसका तुम कौन हो? दया घना हो, बहुत बड़ा मेघ हो तुम. अज्ञान नभाचा कंदना, वो अज्ञान रूपी नभ को कंदन करने वाला, अज्ञान को भगाने वाला, अज्ञान को नाश करने वाला आप कौन है? इसके लिए आप शस्त्र बन जाओ. ये अज्ञान नगाचा कंदना, अज्ञान रूपी ये नभ के नाश करने के लिए आप शस्त्र बन जाओ मेरे प्रभु साईनाथ. सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. आज आप 25 पर रुकेंगे, अगले संडे हम आगे का ले लेंगे और 5-6 सेशन में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Am I going in more details or something? Please give me your feedback now. Come on, everybody.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pawar Kaka. Yeah, everyone can unmute themselves and start.
Okay, Sairam Jashiji, thank you. Pawar Kaka, this is Upasna. Ek request, I wanted to just request you one thing. Of course, you are doing a very, very fabulous job. Because I, for example, I'm talking about myself. I'm very
Okay.
okay. Like it's alien language for me. Okay, but you are doing a very just coming to my level, like such a low level, so that I can understand as a layman language. The only request I wanted to make is like when you say, okay, when you say sentence, right? If you can say that, okay, this is stanza number 21.
Okay.
So because
I,
with every new stanza, if you say that, then I can actually correlate. Okay, in my
okay.
mind, I'm thinking
This
this
is
is
fast forward
my
25th one.
stanza 21.
Okay, I will do that. When I start reciting that particular stanza, I will take what stanza it is and what is the four part is there. So first charan, second charan, third charan, fourth charan. That I will.
That will be very nice. Okay, yeah.
But, do we get the deeper meaning of it? I mean, am I able to communicate with you the proper meaning of it? Because I don't have that much fluency over English. But okay.
For me, it is very good because see, I can understand Hindi, right? So the beauty of what you are doing is, I would not shorten the details. What you are doing is just perfect because there are times when you understand English, but for example, I'll tell you very good. It's a Karuna, right? Karuna, I did not know that means compassion. Okay, even though I know what compassion is, and I know Karuna, but I did not know compassion means Karuna. Okay, so but when you say both the things, I am able to relate. Oh, that is called Karuna. So that way it sinks in better.
About kindness. It's really a kindness and givingness. Kindness and givingness is a couple about. Okay.
Thank you so much. You describe as a very a kid like who does not know language, and you are telling one word in different language, so it kind of sinks in more. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else who wants me to correct something or little elaborate or I should shortcut, etc. Please tell me. Mr. Venkat, are you there? Hello.
I don't think so. He's there, Pawar Kaka. Anyone
okay.
else? Anyone else? You want to unmute yourself and have any comments for Pawar Kaka?
Yeah, please unmute and tell this one so that I can improve myself if any correction is there.
Sairam Pawar Kaka, Nagaraj here.
Who is this?
Nagaraj Anvekar.
Nagaraj Anvekar. Nagaraj Anvekar.
Yeah.
Oh, Naga, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
What's going on? Tell me, Naga.
I don't think there is any correction to be done. You are doing fantastic job. The explanation is very smooth and very understandable for everyone, for the basics who doesn't know Marathi and Hindi. I think it is perfect.
Yeah, it's really actually I'm overwhelming because you are there. I was not knowing that you are listening to it, Naga.
I'm there from in the beginning.
Okay, Naga. Anything else, Nagaraj?
Nothing. Thank you.
Anybody else? So can I start my this save own form? I am not that much proficient over English that I can admit. In Marathi, tell me, I can talk in hours together, in Hindi hours together, in Gujarati hours together, but not in other language. Please bear with me for that. Thank you. Can we conclude session? Hello.
Hello. Yes. Yes, Pawar Kaka.
Om Sai Ram for today. Meet you on 6:30 on next Sunday. Thank you.
So much. Thank you so much. I'll send the recorded. The recording has been done, so people can refer to the recording for a very long time.
Help you. Nagaraj will help you.
Okay.
Nagaraj has got his own several groups, and he's really a instrumental things to spread Sai Bhakti all over majority of the Sai Bhaktas which he knows. He's a wonderful boy. Nagaraj, I can tell you. Okay.
Thank you. It is Baba's Seva.
It's Baba's Seva, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Thank you.